This video just-in-time defined.
Just-in-time management has allowed Federal Signal's University Park, Illinois facility to reduce inventory from $20 million to under $10 million. The company has also deleted the use of over 100,000 square feet of floor space and now leases it to another company. JIT is a concept designed to help achieve high-volume production while using minimal inventories of raw materials, work in process, and even finished goods. JIT follows the logic that nothing will be produced until it's needed. So need is created when the product is pulled toward the user or customer. In theory, when an item is sold, the market pulls a replacement from the last position in the system.
This is just-in-time big.
Big JIT is a philosophy that seeks to rid a firm of waste in all aspects of its production activities.
This is just-in-time little.
Little JIT, on the other hand, focuses more narrowly on scheduling inventory of goods and providing service resources only where and when they are needed.
The video of Kanban container system.
To regulate JIT flows, Federal Signal has adopted the Kanban production pull system. Kanban, Japanese for sign, uses visual cues, such as cards and containers, or in this case bags, to determine when parts are needed. The authority to order supplies comes from the worker on the floor. If a container is down to fewer than 2 bags of a particular part, such as screws, a refill order is placed.
This video Kanban visual system.
This is where our production begins, the sheer Kanban board. Every Kanban represents a piece of production. As we fill up the board, we know when we need to produce this particular product. In this situation, we're running to 910. We have 4 Kanban cards. When it passes over the green line, that means we need to produce this part. Before we started this Kanban system, we had no understanding of when we needed to produce. We had no schedule. We didn't understand how much inventory we had. This Kanban board represents our inventory, our work in process, everything in one. What the shear operator does, he walks up to the board, he sees the Kanbans are over the green line. He knows he needs to make this product. Each shift comes to this board, they look at the board, they see the Kanbans over the green line, then they know they need to make this particular product.
This video is andon board.
This is an andon board, and it represents all of the products and all of the customers that Zytec has. This board is duplicated in the manufacturing plant. It's basically a communication system. Green means that we're delivering product on time of high quality as perceived by the customer. Red means that the line is absolutely shut down. We are not producing product. We've either got a delivery problem, a quality or reliability problem. And the amber light here is one that shows that we're in a state of caution.
This video is MRP II.
A more complicated and far-reaching system that is used to regulate production is MRP II, or Manufacturing Resource Planning System. Through a closed-loop electronic network, every portion of the business, from the point of sale to the date of delivery, is planned and coordinated. Using the master production schedule as a blueprint, the requirements needed to get from the order stage to the customer delivery stage are projected based on information that's fed into the system from several sources and communicated back and forth within.
Each of the manufacturing entities in the corporation now has a nearly standard material requirements planning, or MRP system, that fundamentally consolidates all the demand from all of that manufacturing entity's customers into requirements for part numbers. Those part number requirements are mechanically then integrated with a supplier scheduling system. That supplier scheduling system then electronically sends schedules for requirements to all of our suppliers. The lead time involved in that process is much less than it was a few years ago. And with the mechanical assistance, we basically can tell our suppliers what our requirements from our customers are much more quickly.